I'm Claire and I've just completed the first year of the Certificate of the Principles of Horticulture.
My name's Naomi. I completed the RHS course in June and I can honestly say that Tuesday mornings became the highlight of my week.
My name is Jane Morris. I've been coming to Coolings for the last 3 years. I've been studying the RHS Level 2 Horticulture Diploma.
This thing is how my confidence in practical gardening has grown. This year I've saved a fortune by sowing my own seeds and taking cuttings of salvias and schneepetas.
The teaching was fun and informative and included practical sessions outside and 2 visits to Wisley and the wonderful gardens at Lullingston. The course included many aspects of horticulture, from plant classification, structure and function, garden planning and outdoor production of fruit and vegetables.
Without a shadow of a doubt, it's such a wonderful environment to learning. Not only have we got great tutors that encourage you to contribute and teach and they want you to learn, but the people as well. We all come from different walks of life.
Last but not least are all the friends I have met on the course. We have a WhatsApp group dedicated to sharing our gardening successes and learning experiences, not failures.
Whether you're wanting to further your career or add to your knowledge and love of gardening, I would highly recommend this course. I absolutely love learning at Coolings.